We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hey guys, it's Ilani and I'm back by myself to do another video. And this video is for the MacBook 16-inch Pro with Touch Bar that I just got for college. So I go to University of Kentucky and it is my senior year of college, so I thought, why not go out, get a nice laptop. School is like everything's practically online, so I wanted to have a fast computer that was compatible with all my stuff, because I have a watch, AirPods, an iPad, an iPhone, and so I wanted to do a college version of the MacBook because I see a lot of people unboxing it. I don't really see a lot of people in college getting the 16-inch. I had an HP Envy that was a 15.6 inch, so me going down to a 13 Pro is gonna save me a good bankroll, but I like my laptops to be huge. I got the i7. If I would have spent $400 more, I could have got the i9. I just went ahead and got the i7 because when I was looking it up, basically the only reason you would need an i9 is if you, oh my gosh, is if you're trying to do coding and all that kind of stuff. So I kind of want to open this up with you guys. And here's my big old laptop. We're gonna take this out. I'm not trying to get fingerprints on this, so my next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is the case that I bought, that I thought was gonna get here after the laptop, but it did not. So the first thing in the box is obviously the best thing in the box. It is the Apple laptop. So yeah, it's the same, like it feels the same as my old laptop. There's 4 lightning ports, so that was kind of but I got something for that. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and then next in the box is instructions, and I'm assuming those 2 stickers that they give you, those little Apple stickers that everyone is tired of. Oh my gosh, gray ones. My first time getting gray ones. I'm a cornball for that, but you know, everybody gets those basic white ones. Nobody likes those. I like them, but I've had a lot of them. You need your charger, and then we got this big block. And so I'm gonna take this off a little bit so I can look at the extender. I'm not sure how you're supposed to turn this into an extension cord, because a lot of people talk about how they turn this into an extension cord, and I don't know how to do that. So yeah, so we have our big charger, and this has the biggest battery that you can take on like an airport. So like max battery, it says 11 hours. I'm gonna try to test it out for the time that I'm here and try to come back and tell y'all how that went. A lot of people are saying that it doesn't do 11 hours, but I think it just depends on like what you're doing. Like if you're doing like mass coding and like mass like video shooting and editing and stuff, then maybe you won't get 11 hours, but I think that I can get 11 hours of schoolwork on this laptop, or max like 8. I don't know, it just depends, because I usually just like leave my laptop just like chilling. I don't really close it, do all that extra stuff, actually turn it off, like all that. The first thing that I got for my laptop was this laptop cover that came with this keypad. Okay, on camera it really matches. With this keypad, And of course you need a backing. So I'm going to put that on really fast, and then I'm going to come back and talk about what it looks like on it. So I have the case on and the backing on. I also got this for my MacBook. I got a touch bar screen protector, or a touch bar protector. I got a clear keypad, and I also got a trackpad protector, so that, you know how like, okay. You know how when you use the trackpad too much and your finger is oily, then it just leaves that nasty oil stain? The next thing that I got for my laptop was an adapter that has a USB at 3.0 USB, an HDMI cord, a tiny SD card, I don't know what it's called, and a regular SD card. And I got this because it's very important to have USB. You never know when you need to like make a project or hook your I don't know, another device up to it that only has USB and not a USB to C. And then an HDMI cord, like if I want to watch movies on someone's TV that doesn't have what I need it to have. I'm too excited about having a MacBook. Y'all don't know how much that hurt my bank though. I'm too excited though. Like, honestly, this was a great purchase in my opinion. Something that I'm going to use for now and into my career. Hey guys, it is me again. I am back in the middle of a video because I forgot to close the video out and make an outro and really just talk about what I liked about the laptop. The setup process was very quick and easy, but I kind of forgot that I was recording, so it was kind of just me looking down at the laptop and not really showing you guys what I was doing. So this is mostly like an unboxing and a review of how I like it so far. I really am impressed that all my stuff is like on the laptop. I get that it's like Apple everything, but it's like very convenient that everything is already on my laptop from the cloud. My fingerprint for Touch ID is the password for everything, even when I download things, turn the computer on. When I need to buy something, I put Apple Pay on here, so that's a plus. I just really like that I don't have to do much with this MacBook. Hence it being Pro, but sometimes that doesn't really mean like, oh, it's got everything, it can do everything for you. But this laptop really is doing the best that it can for $2,000. I really do like that it's very convenient and easy for me to use. I'm excited to use this laptop for school just because of I don't really have to remember the passwords to like my homework or Zoom or other websites where I turn in other homework because everything's going online. So that's a plus. I really like the touch bar. I haven't really got to use the capabilities for a Word document because that's what really sold me, was the touch bar for Word, to make it bold or underline it, like just click things really fast so that I don't have to, you know, use the trackpad a lot. So that's convenient. Even with editing this video, it was very convenient to just hit the cut icon and just keep moving with what I was doing. So just going back and forth to the touch bar, I really use the touch bar mostly for turning the brightness up or turning it down, or turning the sound up and down. So that's mostly why I use it, and just for like little ways to like get around, not really touching the trackpad for editing videos on Premiere Pro. I just really like this laptop, and I know that it's going to be great for school because school is going completely online. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I'm just excited for this next school year with a 16-inch MacBook Pro. And I just wanted to do this video because you don't really see a lot of people doing 16-inch Pros for school. Mostly the 13-inch Pro is a favorite, and I just wanted to, you know, record a video so that other people would know like what it's like. It's definitely going to be the same thing as a 13-inch, just a bigger screen, which is nice. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'll be right beside you.